Alright, so it's been quite some time since I covered wireless earphones and especially neckband type. And the last one that I covered was the OnePlus Bullet C, and at that time they were really value for money at that budget. And these Realme Buds Wireless 2 are something just like that. So you do get a lot of things at just 1999, and I was quite excited to test these out because of the price point and the features like LDAC codec, super low latency mode and ANC, which is just unseen at this price point. So in this video, let's find out if they are really of some use or are these just another wireless earbuds from Realme. And before we proceed further, a tap on that subscribe button will really help the channel out. Starting off with the unboxing experience, and the MRP on box is 3499, which is a bit absurd because these are priced for just 2299, and I managed to get one at 2000 rupees in the first sale itself as a part of the offer, and at that price they seem like a real value for money product. Okay, opening the box now, and first up we have the wireless earphones, and the packaging here is quite decent. After that we have a small box at the bottom, and that carries some accessories. First up we have a user manual which we'll never bother to read, and after that we have some extra ear tips, and make sure you have a comfortable and tight seal around your ears for the best possible experience. After that we have this good looking USB type A to C cable to fast charge the earphones with any fast charger that you have. And as per the claims, you can get around 12 hours of playback from 10 minutes of charge, which is really good. So these are all the accessories, and now coming back to the neckband. So I got this grey color because it looked really different in images and promo material, and it seems like I made the right call. So the pattern on earbuds seemed really great and different from any other earphones that we usually see at this price. It isn't that flashy but looks quite unique, I would say. I like it, to be honest, because it is a bit different in a sea of similar looking earphones. So that's a subjective thing and up to you. The build quality and strength of wires seem durable too, and the materials used are quite soft to touch, which adds up to a good user experience. Also, the weight is really light as it has totally plastic build. The buttons here are not the most premium feeling ones, but they feel somewhat hollow and not that great. But hey, they are clicky and do their job just fine, so I'm not complaining much here. Anyways, let's pair the earphones to the device, and this one has Google Fast Pair support. That means pairing is as easy as 1 to 3, not just on Realme phones but on any Android device, which is something I always appreciate about Realme, as they always use this in wireless earphones. So this makes pairing quite easy, and just separate the earbuds and tap on connect on any of your device, and it will pair to your Google account and not just your phone. So that means it remembers your device for lifetime. You can download the Realme app from Play Store, and after that just click on the plus button and choose the earphones, and the device will pair itself with the earphones. Inside the application you get a lot of controls, and first up we have the battery percentage. After that we can choose between noise control modes, and we even get a transparency mode to hear whatever is going on around, and that helps when you are traveling or talking to someone, as it lets external sound in and works really well for earphones at this price range. You also get some sound effects, and after testing it for some time, I decided to keep it on dynamic for the best results. But you can also choose from bass boost and bright, though that bass boost mode makes the music a bit awkward and suppressed by artificially pumping up the bass. So I avoid it, to be frank, and the bright mode will make the vocals and music quite richer. After that we also have a gaming mode, and I like that it is not specific to Realme devices only. So you can get up to 88 milliseconds super low latency on any device, and I'll put it to test with games like BGMI and more. But do keep in mind that this mode works only with SBC codec, so you'll have to switch off LDAC in Bluetooth settings. Lastly, in Bluetooth settings you can modify single taps, double tap and triple taps to do anything you want, and after remapping you can uninstall the applications if you don't want to keep it. As simple as that. Now talking about the music quality, and I've used it for a couple of hours till now, and my initial impressions are quite positive. The sound signature it has is quite decent with good bass and treble, and vocals are quite clear too with decent instrument separation. The bass isn't overpowering, and I find it enough and can feel it wherever it is required. The latency while playing the music is also less as they do support LDAC, and with that you can play high resolution media up to bitrate of 990 kbps. And if that's too much technical for you, then in simple terms, well, you can have a better audio experience with complex and better audio formats, which is a good add-on at this price point. Overall, the range and connectivity feels decent as of now. Also, here is an audio test to show how the audio calls will sound with these Realme Buds Air 2. So you guys be the judge now and decide if it is fit for you or not. So this is an audio sample recorded from the internal microphone of the Realme Buds Air 2. So you guys be the judge and let me know what you feel about it. Lastly, the battery life claimed is 22 hours and the charging time is close to 50 minutes. And if you guys want a separate video with latency test, BGMI test and charging time, do let me know in the comment section down below and I'll share a video just before the full review. So to sum it up, well, this is a solid offering from Realme at this price point. And the features to price ratio is really good on this one, as you do get some new things and tech that works on all phones instead of being restricted to one single brand, something that I absolutely hate. And these were my initial impressions with the Realme Buds Air 2. So if you do end up liking this video, press that subscribe button if you haven't already, and do hit that like button while you're at it. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.